right, here we go with the July 24th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East along with you. The very unsettled weather pattern remains in place across the region. 80s and 90s for highs yesterday in many spots. Even a couple sites held into the upper 70s there. Asheboro only 78, North Wilkesboro is 79. 79 in Lincolnton, 78 in Shelby, and Salisbury 79, but 90 in Wadesboro. Just kind of depended on where you were in the region, how much sun you saw, and how great the coverage of showers and storms was there as we went through the course of the day on Monday. That determined highs. Now, it's been a very, very wet go of it along many coastal spots. There's a look at some of the coastal cameras this morning. And you look there at the scene during the 5 a.m. hour this morning, and a lot of wet conditions out there. Look at the streets there at Kitty Hawk, 77 degrees, wet roads out there early this morning. And we'll take a look at Morehead City this morning, 75 degrees, the temperature there from the eastern part of the state. Triad area, look at the raindrops that are on the camera lens with the low clouds at Wake Forest University, 72 degrees, the temperature there. And we'll take a look at the Dowd YMCA camera uptown Charlotte. The skyscrapers obscured by low clouds this morning with the temperature at 73. There's your temperatures around the region, 77 in Cape Hatteras, 76 in Wilmington, 60s in the high country. All right, 48-hour rain totals, if that will plot for us here. There we go. It's been a wet go of it over the past couple of days in many spots around the region. Now you look over here in the eastern part of North Carolina, a lot of widespread totals of rain over 5, 6, even 8, 9, 10 inches in some spots. And even across the Piedmont zones, it's been pretty wet. A lot of rain totals in the 2, 3, 4, 5-inch territory across the Piedmont regions. And that's the case down around the Charlotte viewing area as well. Some pretty wet conditions overall as we've gone through the course of the past several days. And pretty active go of it yesterday with severe weather in some areas too. In fact, I'll zoom in here to the Charlotte metro and notice that had a cluster of storms around Gaston and Mecklenburg counties that were pretty intense. Even funnel cloud there in the eastern parts of Gaston County with that storm that prompted a tornado warning during the 5 o'clock hour yesterday. All right, here's the setup today. Still very unsettled. Not much change today compared to yesterday. A lot of rain and thunderstorms early this morning as I cut the video over in the eastern part of the state. We've had some thunderstorms rumbling along that have been severe at times through the night. And that fetch of Atlantic Ocean moisture continues to work in. So a lot of the region in a flash flood watch through early tomorrow morning. And you look here at the high resolution, future radar, a lot of these showers and storms firing today. Notice the most widespread rain this morning over in the eastern part of the state, but really anybody fair game to pick up these scattered showers and storms as today rolls along. So unsettled once again today with a lot of showers and storms. There's your highs this afternoon. Tomorrow, one more unsettled weather day as another cold front punches in from the west. So still a lot of showers and storms for Wednesday. But then behind that front, things trend drier for a lot of the region. Now along the coast and the coastal plain Thursday and Friday, still some showers and storms. But I think a lot of the western, say 2/3 of North and South Carolina, dry out a good bit for Thursday and Friday. And as we dry things out, we heat up the temperatures. There's your Thursday highs, and it'll even be a little hotter than that on Friday. All right, on to the weekend. Same basic setup for Saturday, with most of the showers and storms near the coast. But then as we get into Sunday, there's Sunday on the European model, there's Monday. I think we're back to much more unsettled weather conditions across the region. Quick look at the tropics, pretty quiet. A little blow up of storms there over the Gulf of Mexico, but that was from earlier storms inland. Nothing tropical in nature there, and so right now everything's still very, very quiet with no sign of any developing tropical systems over the next 4 or 5 days. All right, that's it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.